can't wait, see the money ain't the conversation. Really low with blue faces, I kinda slow come through with pace.
You too, what going on, man? Got a little adventurous day today, man. Finna go link up with my homeboy. We about to go to the gun range and just hang out for a day, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all a couple POV drives too, so y'all stay tuned. Oh yeah, you know we at the gas station. It gotta happen. Stay tuned, y'all. Yo, here go the little POV, man. I really want to make my car a little louder, man. I've been thinking about boiler attacks. I saw the car in strange too, but I really don't like all that raspy sound. I just want a nice deep tone. I already got an H pipe, but I still got a factory muffler put on. Y'all let me know what exhaust setup I should get. See, it sounds good right now, but it ain't exactly what I want. You know what I'm saying? I also need to get a cold air intake. I was looking at the Roush and the JLT. I'm trying to decide which one I want to get. I seen good reviews on both of them. Yeah, man, these mod lists about to be a long journey, bro. I plan on getting full bolt zones in the future. Man, this big old truck need to get out of the way, bro. That's one of my pet peeves about the highway, bro. I hate riding behind big cars, 18-wheelers, SUVs, because I can't see nothing, and it's so annoying. And then those big vehicles with the big tires, they always kicking up stuff on your car like rocks and any other thing that's in the road, bro. It's annoying. Chipping up your paint. And then a lot of trucks want to have on the back of their truck saying they're not responsible for any damage. Like, what? Yeah, come on, bro. Like, y'all have this big old truck with all this gravel on the back and slinging everywhere. And y'all talking about y'all not responsible for any damages? Man, come on. It's crazy. Alright, y'all, we just made it to the gun range, and I'm gonna try to film in there. They let us, so see you there.
Pull over. I got both of them. I got the long rifle and the 22 mag. Okay.
Yeah, but Corey got all these guns.
Hey man, we just out here having a good time at the range, man. No big deal.
Oh, did it can it? I ain't never seen it in person.
Yeah.
Look at the special edition.
Thought I'd show you that can, man. It's that toy right here, though. That one everybody be looking for right here. Yes, sir. It's the one right here. Yeah, man. Been waiting to shoot that.
Man, can it? Boy, y'all got a whole case, boy. Glock don't give you nothing like that.
Yes, sir. 5.7. Yeah, man, bro, I'm telling you, bro. Mechanic, man. Love him. Can't get enough of him, dog.
What? He wasn't playing with him, boy.
You know, something slight. Yes, sir. Hey, gotta have it. I gotta have one.
Yeah, man, we just left the gun range, about to go get something to eat right now. And them boy Corey took them boots off.
Oh yeah, boy. Had to get comfortable, man. I love barbecue.